What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. Today, coming to you with a super limited sneaker. Another one. Another one. If you saw the last video, links right here. If you didn't, it was on the super limited 600 pair Reebok bait question collab. Make sure to check that out. Oh my god, those were like the best materials ever. Best leather, best suede, best everything. Check that out. I'm gonna jump right into this one. This one I'm gonna be opening with a skewer, like a kebab skewer. So there's the box. This one is my first actual pair that I'm gonna hold on to and keep and everything. I did have another pair like years and years ago. I don't even remember what they felt like, it was so long ago, and I haven't copped one since. I've looked at copping, but I always cop something different, so I'm kind of running out of things to open boxes with, but I'm not gonna double up. Only thing I doubled up on was the machete, and that technically wasn't a double up. It was like a crappy one and a really good vintage World War II one. So let's hope this. Oh, that was pretty easy. That was actually easier than the machete was. Now this sneaker, it was actually kind of funny because I copped this. It's sold out online in about 20 minutes. I copped it on the way to pick up my bread toes. And if you want to see that video, hit that link, whatever, that little thing. Video on the bread toe Jordan 1s. I got those at a Foot Locker that I won the raffle for, and I copped these off of Foot Locker's website on the way to get those. So, alright, this is kind of unique as a box. Look at that weird looking box. But it's an Asics size 12. I'm not entirely sure what that is. Pensole. So you already know what that is. For those of you who don't, it's the Asics Foot Locker Pensole Gel Light, or not even a Gel Light, the Gel-180 collaboration. It's the collab that they did with the Pensole class or school, the footwear design school. This is, I believe, the second or third release to come out of that whole collaboration. This is actually kind of cool. The paper. This is a paper. Fueling the future of footwear. Foot Locker approved. Pretty cool paper. Ooh. Got some like Jolly Ranchers looking at me. Look at that. Look at that sneaker right there. Get the other one out of here. This is amazing. I like the look of this. It kind of has a what the colorway. Like, that's really cool. And then it's got the blue and the red on the inside with the red insole, blue insole. You got the green and blue. See, we got the real fat laces, which is actually kind of cool. This one's a little bit better for the camera. So, and I love that green right there. That used to be my favorite color. Now, the fat laces actually are kind of cool for this because this shoe takes inspiration from hip hop. Now, the Pensole thing is actually kind of cool. And before I jump into it, registration is opening in the spring for you to be able to actually sign up to be a part of this. So they take anybody from around the world. They only select 18 people, 17 or 18, one of the two, to be able to be a part of it. So make it look good, I guess. Make your application look good. But you register at footlocker.com/pensole, Pensole. That's the name of the school, I believe. Now, what they do is they select 18 people, and it's over a 3-week period. They take the 18 people and break them down into 6 groups of 3, and then they give those groups an idea, and you have to create a mock-up design of a sneaker based on that idea, and then you go up in front of a panel of judges from Foot Locker. It's like executives and designers from Asics, Pensole, and Foot Locker, teachers, salespeople, and designers, and they pick the winner, and the winning group gets $12,000 and the chance to sell their sneaker at Foot Locker, and that's pretty cool. I really like that idea. Now, the first sneaker that actually dropped from this was called the Pensole Reflect. It came out in 2016. So actually, this is the second drop from that then, because that was the first one. The next one is coming out in late 2018. So keep an eye out for that. And I think I'm going to cop that one as well as the one previous, if I can find it for a halfway decent price. Now, like I said, this one took inspiration from hip-hop, so you can tell by the fat laces right there. What they did was they took textures and colors from microphones, turntables, graffiti, all that stuff, and incorporated it inside the sneakers. And you can kind of tell just by looking at it. I mean, if you look at that, that kind of looks like the housing for a microphone. Like, it's got all those little holes. It's like the way it's designed. It's really cool. It's got the rubber around here. It's got gold incorporated in for like gold chains and stuff, I guess. But it's got the fat B-boy laces. And I think I dropped them when I opened the box. But it comes with another pair of laces. I saw it online. It's just another regular pair of laces. These have red tips. Those have blue tips. You can switch them out, but they got the same thing on the other ones, just thin laces. If you want to, you can, they filmed 3 separate videos showing the start to the finish of the design of this sneaker, what went into it, everything about it. There's 3 separate videos that Pensole and Foot Locker released, and I'll link one of them down below. You can kind of just build off of that and get the other ones, but the first one's linked in the description, so make sure to check that out. Now, this collaboration actually started for this sneaker in 2015, 2016, so it took like 2 or 3 years to design and create and like manufacture and everything, and then eventually release the sneaker. That's crazy. But I mean, they did a really good job with it. And let's get it on feet. I gotta get this on my foot. It's been a while since I've had Asics on my foot, so let's check it out. feels amazing. This right here, this gel, I mean, look at that. It's like super, super squishy. Like, I'm kind of nervous that maybe with, like, if it sits for like a year, that gel might dry out, because it's like really squishy. It almost feels like a stress ball kind of thing. Like, it's crazy. But I love how they incorporated like 100. That's crazy. 100. Like the little emoji. Got the little gold stripes. You can see different colors on both the shoes. Got them Jolly Ranchers, and it's like see-through too. I cleaned the bottom of them before I put them back on this, because made the mistake one other time putting dirty soles on this white sheet, and it took a while to clean it. I actually ended up just getting a whole nother one. But I love the color usage. It wasn't too much. I mean, it's better now that they used red and blue, blue and red, blue, black, white, black, blah, blah. I'm glad they threw in the green right there, because if it was just blue and black and white and red, it wouldn't be as cool. But that gives it something else. The different color blue, the green, like, that definitely gives it something else. And I love that gold right there. And I love the fact that the gel right there kind of just gives it that pop. They didn't add any color to the gel to make it goldish, but just the natural look accents this so much better. But did y'all cop this shoe? Were you guys lucky enough to do it? Because I know it was super limited. It dropped at like 12 stores or something like that. 12 Foot Lockers all across like the world. Including dropping online. Now, I'm sure people were hesitant because I was able to add 2 12s to cart, 2 size 12s. I only bought one, but I was able to add 2, and then when I went back later, it was sold out. I wasn't going to buy the second one. I just wanted to see, how quick they would sell out. And honestly, they sold out fairly quick. The resell on them's not too high, so if you really want a pair, you can cop it. I think they're going for like $240 now or $230 or something like that. I paid $160 for it, so it's like a Jordan markup, really. But I'm sure they'll go down a little bit, or they may just keep going up. Who knows? They're extremely comfortable. I'm definitely copping those Gel-8 3s because everybody knows Gel-8 3s are super comfortable. Not to mention they do that super good materials on them, like suede and leather and stuff like that. Asics is known for their materials. And honestly, I wish they would have done like the white right here. Like, I'm glad they did that on the toe box, but I wish they would have like incorporated some suede right around in here. That would be really cool. And maybe like leather guts to it. That would be even better. But I'm not complaining. I like it the way it is. I mean, for the story that's behind it, you can't really go wrong. It's clearly very breathable. There's holes all over it, but it's sealed all around the toe, so that's really good. I'm glad they did that to keep the form. Yeah, I mean, what do y'all think about this sneaker? It was pretty limited, so if you weren't able to get it, I'm sorry, but I'm definitely going to wear this shoe a lot, and I'm sure it'll be an amazing running shoe. Now, that's the end of this one. Stay tuned for some photos and B-roll. Make sure to click this link if you haven't, if you don't know about my sneaker giveaway. Once we reach 1,000 subs, giving away a sneaker, but you want to make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on it. Around 500 subs, I'm going to create a poll, and you want to follow me on social media too, because I'm going to post the poll on social media, and then I'll also post the link to the video, and the poll will be in the description of the video. So you guys can tell me what you want. If you want to what the colorway, where I get a pair, you get a pair, or you just want me to cop a pair for you of whatever the winner's choice sneaker is, you just let me know. But yeah, I got a few more sneakers on the way, like always. I got some cool videos on the way, so make sure to subscribe. You want to turn notifications on, go ahead and do it. I'm not going to push you. But yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Hope y'all have a good one. Peace.